Hey, what's up, Pop y'all? It's your girl, Yana. Welcome back to Braiding with Yana, where you'll find my mannequin and Yana, and that makes up Yana, where you will find me styling, hair, fashion, and designing. Fashion dolls. So in the description box, there will be the playlist of all the videos for this specific series, as well as where you can get the mannequin and the parting combs that you need to practice on your very own mannequin. All right, so let's get straight into it, y'all. So one thing that I like to do as a trick, you guys, when you're parting hair, you don't necessarily have to start from here and then part like this. You don't necessarily have to do that. I actually look under. I look from the back, actually, in part. Sometimes I actually do that because it helps you get a better proportion of the amount of hair that you have if you see it from the back first and then go towards the front. So basically like that. Yep. So basically like this, y'all. So pretend this part is already braided. Let's say you're going to pinch some hair, right? So you already are holding it in your hand position. As you're going along the braid and you pinch for the hair, you're literally pinching about this amount. Y'all see? You are pinching the hair that is literally underneath where you stopped your braid. So you pinch about this amount of hair and you take it over and then you twist it. Okay? So every time you twist, you go right under, grab some more hair along the braid. You just take small little sections, you pinch it, and it's now in your braid. Take small little sections, you pinch it, it's now in your braid. This small little section, you pinch it, it's now in your braid. This little section, pinch it, now it's in your braid. And this section right here is now in your braid. Okay? So, that is the idea of a cornrow. Is that you are adding not even inches, but like you are adding little by little by little increments of hair as you go along your cornrow. So think of it as that. That's one thing to think about as you're doing a cornrow. You're just thinking about small little sections as you go along the hair to take and twist and put it into your braid. Okay? So now we're at the top. Let's do this together. Left piece and twist it over the right. And then I now pinch. When you get to the middle of the braid, when you get to the middle piece, you pinch the hair, you take it and you twist it. We're going along, grabbing small increments of the hair right underneath where you twist it and adding that, twisting it. Twisting, pinch, twist, pinching, twisting, twisting, pinching, twisting, twisting, twisting right, twisting left, pinching, twisting right, twisting left, pinching, twisting right, twisting left, pinching, little increments, twisting right, twisting left, pinching, little increments, pinching right, twisting right, twisting left, pinching, twisting right, twisting left, twisting right, twisting left, right, 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 left. Okay, y'all, so that is how you make a cornrow.
Accept who you are and stand by your own definition of beauty. The infamous promo pic. Live life with intention and execution. It'll make your soul dance. And it has makeup, because you know how makeup, there's like concealer. So it says, don't conceal anything, get ready for transformation. I love that.
Alright, y'all, I forgot to close out this video, but if y'all got any questions or you guys want me to redo this video, make a cornrows part 2, and try to make it a little bit more clearer as much as I possibly can, guys, just put it in the comment section below. I will enjoy your suggestions and your feedback. And if you guys know any other easier methods to underhand braid, let me know in the comment section below. We are all here to learn, including myself. I do not claim myself to be an expert, all right? I see y'all. It's your girl, Manikiana.